Hello, welcome back for lesson number 64. I put a title called Mirror. Today we're going to mirror the previous operation. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have final cut the left side. Today we're going to mirror this operation to the right side. So we select toolpath editor, mirror, set the point, select x-axis, OK. Looks good. Let us verify. Right mouse click, set the frame G54, and you can see the Z is -15. We click OK. Let us do a solid verify. Analysis visual. Looks good. We have material for the finishing cut on the other area. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, toolpath editor, mirror, set the point, 0, 0, 0, x-axis, click OK. Looks good. Let us verify. Right mouse click, verify, set the frame G54, we drag the 2, drag -15, looks good, click OK. Let us perform a solid verify. Right mouse click, solid verify, slow down, play. Looks good. Option, analysis, visual. Let us zoom in, tilt the part. Yes, we have final the depth. We still have material for the rest of the finishing process. Close, close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to do finishing on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.